Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and I've got some new crisps that I've never heard of before. Hunky Dorys Crinkle Cut 6-pack variety crisps. Now, I got these are Irish crisps, but I didn't go to Ireland to get them. I went to Iceland. The shop, not the country. And I had to buy them because of the blurb on the back. I just had to get them. I mean, quite often I don't read this sort of stuff. It's just meaningless. And this is pretty meaningless, to be fair. But I'll just read you what it says. It says, Hunky Dorys aren't like those other scrawny crisps. Gwan, it says Gwan, G''W''A''N. Is that an Irish expression? I don't know. I don't know how I'm meant to say. Go on. I assume it's go on. Feel the bag. They're thicker, heavier, and ready to squash the rumble in your stomach with massive ridges of flavour and obscene crunchiness. Well, it's been a while since I've had any obscene crunchiness, so I had to buy them, didn't I? And you've got 3 flavours in here. You have got salt and malt vinegar, cheddar cheese and spring onion, and buffalo flavour. Look, buffalo flavour. I've never had buffalo flavour crisps. I've never seen buffalo flavour crisps. I assume they're going to be beefy, but I don't know. We will see. Quite often I don't like beef flavour crisps because they have yeast extract in them. These haven't. Which to me tastes like Marmite. Well, it isn't. Yeast is Yeast is in Marmite, isn't it? I think it is. It says on the buffalo flavour, spicy buffalo wing flavour. It lists quite a few spices. Right, we'll try the buffalo ones last. Go for salt and vinegar first. Good old salt and vinegar. That's what it looks like. So obviously I'm going to open 3 packets of crisps here. Does that mean I've got to eat 3 packets instantly? Well, I can always put a peg on them, can't I? I could anyway. Right, what does it say on here? Anything? Oh, I've got to read you this as well. I quite like this. It says, feel the salt and malt vinegar burn. Feel it. Boy, did we empty the vinegar bottle into this bag. Not by accident. We knew you were into the big tingly stuff. The kind of flavour sizzle that smacks you hard in the face. But you're a fighter and you're a sneaky biter. Just tingle, damn it. That's made me smile. I like that. It's something this bit different, isn't it? Right, here we go. Salt and vinegar. With a whole bottle of vinegar in them, allegedly. Well, it's still reasonably vinegary. Okay, let's have a go. Crinkle cut. They look like McCoy's. They're not as crunchy as McCoy's, but they're nice. Well, I wouldn't say. It says, did we empty the vinegar bottle into this bag? No, it doesn't taste as though you did. It's just a standard salt and vinegar, really. I mean, they're good salt and vinegar crisps, but there's nothing really amazing about them. Yeah, okay. Alright, we've tried them. I've got a bit stuck in my tooth now. Hang on a minute. That's better. You didn't want to see me poking around in my mouth with my finger, did you? Perhaps you did, I don't know. Right, cleanse my palate. And we go with cheese and onion. I want to see what it says on the back of this pack now. Right, what does it say? Oh, we know you. You like the hardcore cheesy stuff, you crispy spring onion maniac. So shred that cheddar like no one's watching, dig your hands deep inside this pack and taste the flavour rave inside your mouth. Ah! And then it says, munch on, my flavour fiend, munch on! Oh, wow! Look, I don't know if it'll focus on that. Just hit the bottom of that black square. Can you see that? It probably won't focus. It doesn't like focusing close up. Try extreme close up. No, that won't work. Munch on, my flavour fiend. Munch on. Yes, these are the crisps for me, aren't they? Oh, yes. Thing is with these, they're spring onion. Will I be able to tell it's spring onion, or will it just taste like ordinary onion? Oh yeah, the smell is spring onion, definitely. Yeah. Right, I'm going to munch on. They don't taste as good as they smell, to be fair. They're good, but... I'm going to dig to the bottom of the bag. I think you can tell it's spring onion. It smells like spring onion, but the actual taste, if you didn't know, I don't think you'd say, wow, spring onion. Golden Wonder do a spring onion crisp, don't they? Which is just spring onion, no cheese, and they are amazing. But, again, similar to the salt and vinegar. They're nice crisps, they're good crisps, you know, but nothing incredible. Nothing that makes me go, oh, I've got to get them again. Well, I have got to get them again because it says, I'm going to read it again. It says, munch on, my flavour fiend, munch on. Yes. Oh, perhaps I'll get a t-shirt with that printed on it. Oh, that'd be good, wouldn't it? Yeah, munch on, my flavour fiend, munch on, said Mr. Munch. Right. Yeah, a little bit underwhelmed with them again. Okay, buffalo. What's this going to say? It's turning into quite a long video, isn't it? I don't mind. I hope you don't mind. I love the crisps. Right. It says, what is buffalo flavour? Pure badness, that's what. You fancy yourself as a bit of a wild one. Mad enough to climb the ridges of Flavour Town. Oh my God, who comes up with this? Crazy enough to saddle the crunchy beast. That sounds vaguely rude. Well, you've come to the right packet of Tato Hunky Dorys. Smoky, delicious, salty dust. You savage beast. Cruncherman run. Damn you, run. You is Y-O-O-O-O-O-O. Oh, salty dust? I don't sound very appetising. I love all the bump. Yeah, the stuff on the back of the packs is actually better than the taste of the crisps so far. These might be amazing. They definitely look good. Look at them. They're orange. sure how to describe that smell. Salty dust. That's how I'll describe it. That's what it said on the pack anyway. Okay. Mmm. Oh no, they're nice. Mmm. They're quite tangy. There's not much heat there, chilly heat, but again, how can I describe this? This is a very strange flavour. It says they're smoky. They're a little bit smoky to me. They're just really nice. Tangy, spicy without being hot. Quite a fresh taste. Unique. A unique taste. Yeah, they're the boys. They're the ones out of this pack. Definitely. If I ever see a sharing bag of them, I'm definitely getting them. I'm sorry it's difficult to describe the taste, but buy them and try them. Yeah. Well, if that's what a buffalo tastes like, next time I see a buffalo, I'm going to be licking it. Yeah, very nice those. So, the salt and vinegar and the cheese and onion, much of a muchness really, in that they're good crisps. They're nothing incredible. You know, they're just run-of-the-mill, bog standard, good crisps. They're different. They are different and good. They're different in a good way. I really like them. Really like them. That packet is going to get finished immediately. The other two, I think I better put a peg on them and have them at some point in the next half an hour. Right. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've ever tried Hunky Dory crisps. And let me know what you think of them. And are there any other flavours available? Yeah. Is there a website here I can go on? I don't know, I can't see one immediately. There must be. Yeah, there must be. I'll find a website and see if they do any others and where you can get them. I said I got them from Iceland. Right, that's turned into an extremely long video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the like button. He said, burping slightly. And share it amongst all your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.